watch it in the mirror. Take 2. Cut. Why are there shadow babies? Take 3. Whoa, cut. You're not into sweeping.
Cut. You're not supposed to get in the plane crash. Take
5.
Whoa. Cut. God, how dare you cut Dash? That's it. You're grounded. Once you get ungrounded, let's do take 8.
But somebody else made me do this, please! I'm trying to jump!
So here's some more.
Okay, first of all, there is no way that somebody can make you do bad things. And second of all, you can make your own decisions.
6. Oh no, Geo. What's it too fast? Take 70. See, it's 7. Oh, Geo, cut. What's the now? Take 8. Cut. Why
Cut. You scared me by using
white
the
eyes.
screen. That's loud. Try again. Take
10.
Whoa, okay, major cut. Why, ow, my eyes, what happened to the screen? Who's messing with the effects? Dot, what are you doing here?
sorry. It's just a prank, bro.
Dot, get out of my studio! No!
Wait, but why?
Because you sound like a cringy Jake Paul fan, and I don't like it. Get out of my studio. Now, I hope you die. Okay. 4, 3, 2, 1. That's it!
Okay, take 12. Wow, this is a fake selecting. Bye-bye.